Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Velvet Locks, back again with another video for you today. I have so many wonderful videos in store for all of you that are detox drinks, okay? Now, being that I'm on this crazy mission of getting this pooch down, I've been indulging myself in so many different types of teas that focus on that area. So each week I'm drinking a lot of different things. Well, I bumped into another wonderful way for you to be able to speed up your weight loss process. And we all know weight loss is not an easy process. It actually takes a lot of time and dedication to resist those favorite foods that we all like to eat. Now today I'm going to show you a simple remedy which is based on baking soda. And this is going to boost your metabolism and help you to lose that weight even faster than ever. I have 3 wonderful ways that this can help you. 3 different wonderful recipes that you could choose, and you can do this every day. Now, one of them is using my favorite ingredient, which is the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. But let's get into the video where I will show you 3 super wonderful ways for you to speed up that metabolism and lose that weight even faster than ever. So here we go right now. Now, just like any video that I put out, as far as detoxing, using any type of ingredients, anything that's going to help you to be in better health, you should always, if you're suffering from any type of ailments in your body, like diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, always check with your doctor first before ever trying any of these type of things, which may alter your medication, okay? So always consult with your doctor before doing anything, using any type of ingredient that may go against your medication. Now, being that I'm using baking soda in this recipe, check with your physician first, because baking soda is moderately high in sodium. So if you're suffering from high blood pressure, please speak to your doctor first before drinking this concoction. All right? So now that we've gotten all the formalities out of the way, let's start the video now. It's called the baking soda and lemon recipe, okay? So for recipe number 1, what we're going to need, so you're going to need your cup, all right? And in your cup, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So this is 1 teaspoon already shared out of my regular Arm & Hammer baking soda. Just pour that in your glass. Next, you're going to add in a 1/2 cup of water. Okay. And you're also going to add in the juice of 1 lemon or grapefruit juice. So you can have juice of either lemon, grapefruit, whatever it is that's your desired juice. And that's the end of it. You simply stir and you drink. Okay? So that's drink number 1. Let's go to the next drink. So now we're going to go to the next way that you can make this drink. All right, now you're going to still need your cup, all right, any type of cup. You're going to need your apple cider vinegar, all right, and please use the one with the mother in it. It doesn't have to be Bragg's, but it does have to be an unfiltered baking soda that has the mother in it, all right. And of course, you know, you're going to also need your baking soda. All right, so in your glass, you're going to add in 1 cup of water. And you're going to use 1 cup of water. You're also going to use 2 tablespoons of my favorite, and that's the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Then you're going to also use a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, and this is drink number 2. All right. You stir that, and after it fizzes, you drink it down. Okay, and that's drink number 2. What you're going to do is you're going to drink this in the morning before breakfast, and you will be amazed by the results. So for the 3rd drink, this is the baking soda and fruits. So what you're going to do is add in 2 cups of water. Okay. Okay, so that's 1 1/2. Okay, please make sure you put this in a blender that is big enough, or a food processor that's big enough to store this, because this looks like it's going to be a little bit too much. All right, now in this one, we're going to add in a cup of strawberries. Now today I'm using my frozen strawberries, but you can use fresh strawberries if you choose to. you're just going to drop that into your processor or blender. Then from there, you're going to also add in the juice of 2 whole lemons. So I've already juiced that, okay? 2 lemons, and that's the juice of 2 lemons. Pour that in there as well. And also you're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, and you're going to put that in there. And lastly, you're going to put 1 sprig of your mint leaves. So I'm just going to pop that in there. All right, pop the top of that on there. And you're going to blend it together. Ooh, this one looks really good. Wow, that's a lot. And again, what you're going to do is you're going to drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. Okay, you blend everything in the blender, you drink it as a smoothie, and you drink it twice a day for best results. So being that this is a double portion, you're going to split this in half and you're going to drink it twice a day. You pour, I guess, 8 ounces of it in the morning, and then you have the balance of it before lunch or for dinner. Okay? Alright you guys, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and enjoy wonderful weight loss drink that's going to help you to speed up your weight loss by using baking soda. Okay? Bon appetit! Hey fam! What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it, so this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.